Are you struggling with input output operations in C++? Want to take your coding skill to the next level? In this video, we will unlock the secrets of mastering input output in C++, from using standard streams like C in cout or C in cout to advanced formatting with stream manipulators and handling file operations. We have got you covered with clear practical examples. You'll become a C++ input output pro in no time. Don't miss out. Let's dive right in and boost your programming expertise together.
Input-output operations in C++ using standard streams. Input-output operations in C++ using standard streams. In C++, input and output operations are performed using the standard input and output streams sin and coup, respectively. Output operation using coup, the coup object, is used to output data to the standard output, usually the console. Syntax, #include _iostream greater than, using namespace std int main, coup == hello world == return 0, output hello world. Input operation using sin, the sin object is used to read data from the standard input, usually the keyboard. Syntax, #include =iostream greater than, using namespace std int main, int x coup == enter a number. Sin greater than x coup == you entered, x == return 0, output enter a number 10 you entered 10. Formatted output using coup supports formatted output using stream manipulators like setw, setprecision, etc. Example, #include =iostream greater than #include =iomanip greater than, using namespace std int main pi equals 3.14159. Coup value of pi setprecision 4 pi endl, return 0, output value of pi 3.142. Conclusion, standard streams sin and coup provide a convenient way to perform input and output operations in C++. They are easy to use and provide a consistent way to interact with the standard input and output devices. Formatting output using stream manipulators. In C++, stream manipulators are used to format the output of data displayed using the coup object. Stream manipulators are functions that can modify the behavior of output streams. Commonly used stream manipulators, setw int n, sets the width of the next output field to n spaces. Example, #include =iostream greater than #include =iomanip greater than, using namespace std. Int main, int num equals 123 coup setw10 num endl, return 0, output 123, left 7 blank spaces, total width 10. Setprecision int n sets the number of digits to be displayed after the decimal point. Example, #include =iostream greater than #include =iomanip greater than, using namespace std. Int main, pi equals 3.14159 coup setprecision 4 pi endl, return 0, output 3.142, displays decimal points and 3 digits. Fixed and scientific. Fixed formats floating point values and fixed point notation. Scientific formats floating point values and scientific notation. Example, #include =iostream greater than #include =iomanip greater than, using namespace std int main num equals 12,345.6789 coup fixed num endl. Coup scientific num endl, return 0, output 12,345.678900, with full length 1.23456 at plus 04 in scientific notation. Left and right specify the alignment of the output within the field. Example, #include =iostream greater than #include =iomanip greater than, using namespace std int main coup left setw10 hello endl coup right setw10 hello endl, return 0. Output, hello, spaces after letters, hello, spaces before letters, conclusion. Stream manipulators provide a convenient way to format output in C++. They can be used to control the appearance of data displayed using the cout object. Understanding and using stream manipulators can make your output more readable and presentable. File input-output operations in C++. In C++, file input-output operations are performed using the fstream library. This library provides classes ifstream, and fstream for reading from and writing to files. Writing to a file output operations. To write data to a file, open the file using ifstream object and use the less than operator to write data to the file. Example: #include less than iostream greater than #include less than fstream greater than using namespace std int main of stream outfile example.txt. If outfile.is underscore open outfile less than hello world less than endl outfile less than this is a C++ program less than endl outfile close. Cout less than data written to file successfully less than endl else cout less than unable to open file less than endl return 0. Reading from a file, input operations. To read data from a file, open the file using ifstream object and use the greater than or getLine function to read data from the file. Example: #include less than iostream greater than #include less than fstream greater than using namespace std int main ifstream infile example.txt string line. If infile.is underscore open while getLine infile line cout less than line less than endl infile close else cout less than unable to open file less than endl return 0. Appending to a file. To append data to an existing file, open the file in append mode using ifstream object. Example: #include less than iostream greater than #include less than fstream greater than using namespace std int main of stream outfile example.txt ios app. If outfile.is underscore open outfile less than appending new data less than endl outfile close cout less than data appended to file successfully less than endl else cout less than unable to open file less than endl return 0. Closing a file. It is good practice to close the file after performing input-output operations. Conclusion: file input-output operations in C++ are performed using the fstream library. Fstream is used for writing to a file, ifstream for reading from a file, and stream for both reading and writing. Always check if the file is opened successfully before performing input-output operations.
Let's start the practical. Start VS Code, file, save as, type here IO1, IO program 1, save. A simple C++ program for cout and sin. Out. Integer age, string name, cout, less than, with a double quotation mark, enter your name, colon, less than, enter, semicolon. Next line, sin, more than, age. Write down the comment first, double backslash, enter name and age. Select and copy paste these two lines. So change here name, replace age with a name. Variable. Cout, enter your name, accept name. Cout, enter your age, accept age. Cout less than within a double quotation mark, your name is less than with a double quotation mark, name, variable name, less than with a double quotation mark, and age is less than age variable less than end L, or with a double question mark ES then less than end L. First time you are writing a lengthy output statement. Save and run this program. Click on terminal. See, enter your name. I am entering my name here. Enter your age. I have entered my age. Your name is Asif and your age is 34 years. Clear screen. Modify this program. Hash include IO manipulator, because we want to display the formatted student on the screen. That's why we are using IO manipulator. Left, right, spaces, like that. Modifying this statement, my output student, I am modifying my output statement here. setw10 before displaying a name, and that before that alignment from left to right. Left to right alignment for left, setw10 space of 10, save and run. See the difference output from first output. Enter my name, then enter my age. Your name is Asif at leave blank spaces after my name and age is 50. See there, the difference is there. So it's a formatted output. Now for age, right, before age, alignment right, and spaces setw10. Save and run this program. Enter your name, enter your age, in the display portion or in the output section, it will display name and leave the blank spaces, and display the age and leave the blank spaces from right. I entered my name Asif and I entered my age 50. See the output. Your name is Asif Ahmed, leave blank spaces, and age is 50 years and leave blank spaces from right. Alignment and leaving blank. Save and run again. Enter your name. I entered my name Asif and enter my age 50 and see the difference. So you can manipulate your program. File, save as, program 2, click on save button. I have program 2. Modify this program, delete int age and string name. Right there, double pi is equal to pi value 3.14 1596 3.14. cout less than within a double quotation mark pi value is colon less than pi less than NL. Simply assign a value and display the value. Cout less than pi value pi set precision. How many precision you want to display on the screen? 4 colon less than set precision 4. Correct it first. Right. Print this and bracket 4 less than pi less than NL semicolon. Correct this. A bracket, extra bracket is there. Clear screen. Save and run the program. See, there is error. An error is there. Expression must have entered. Type integer. Oh, bracket, close brackets required there. Save and run the program. Again, save and run. See the output. Pi value is 3.14159. Then set precision 4, 3.142. 4 precision means after decimal 3 values. Copy paste same statement. Then set precision 3. Save and run. and see the output. 3, save and run. See the output here. 3.14, 159, then 3.142, then 3.1. Here you can set how many decimal you want to display on the screen. File, save as IO program 3, save button, save. A simple C program for fixed and scientific values. Just before you have seen precision, now fixed and scientific. Double num is equal to 245.6.2358 semicolon. C out less than with a double question mark, fixed num colon less than fixed fxt less than num less than NL. C out less than with a double question mark, scientific num colon less than scientific less than num less than NL. Clear the screen, save and run the program. Save and run the program. See the output. See, first output is pi value, then fixed num 245 and 358, a truncated 1. Then scientific notation 2 raised to the power 2.4562 and E means 10 raised to the power that much. File, save as IOPRG 4, change here for input scene value or scene validation. For input scene validation, int num C out less than with a double question mark, enter any integer number colon double question mark, complete less than and L semicolon, sin more than num. If sin dot fail, what will happen? Within a curly bracket, C out less than with a double question mark, you entered invalid integer number, displaying a message on the screen. Less than num less than NL semicolon, or remove the num. Sin dot clear, sin dot ignore and bracket 1000 comma backslash add semicolon, else C out less than with a double question mark, your entered number is colon less than num less than NL. Save and run the program. No instance or overload it. Ignore function. Invalid cannot be from. Save and run. Enter any integer number. We are entering here ABC. And see the output. You entered invalid integer number. Run again. Now we can enter integer number right now. Any integer number. 111. See here. You entered number is 111. clear screen, run again, type integer value 1054, your entered number is 1054. File, save as, file, IO 1, save. A simple C program to write text to text file. In this program, we will see how to write down text to a text file. For that, we have to include hash include f string. F string for file manipulation, file creating, file update, file modify, etc. Modifying this program of stream out file and bracket with a double question mark example dot txt semicolon. So we created of stream out file example dot txt double backslash first check for open file. So if and bracket out file dot open empty parenthesis curly bracket begin curly bracket close, C out less than with a double question mark, this is first line in add text file or add a file less than end L semicolon, but not a C out because we have to use that object out file, replace C out with out file. What will happen? This will write to a file, that particular file example.txt, out file less than out file less than with a double question mark, this is next line of text in the file less than end semicolon, C out less than with a double question mark, successfully write to file, write data to file less than NL. It will display the message on the screen. C out display the message on the screen. Else, if file is not open there, then what? Else C out less than with a double question mark, unable to open file less than NL semicolon, save the file and run the program. Run the program. CL no instance is open. Sorry, is underscore open. The function name is underscore open. Save C out or out file dot close. We must close the file after writing or after any operations. So last line is out file dot close. Save and run. See the output, successfully write data to file. So we have to check that file. Open Windows Explorer, go to that folder, click on that folder. This is my folder, project folder. Here see that example.txt file, double click. This is first line at file, this is the next line of text in the file created, and whatever you write there with the help of program, that is on that file. Double click on and see that. Double click on that file and see that. Double click on that file and see that. File, save as, file IO2, save, modify this program. A simple C++ program to read and write text from file, or reading a text file, reading text from file, reading text from file. So what we have to do here, we are using if stream and out file replaces with in file. Same file we are reading, earlier we created that file, checking if in file is open, then we perform all the operations. While string line declare one variable, because we want to read data from that file and store on that variable. That's why we declare string line. While in file, while get line, get dot get line in bracket in file comma line curly bracket begin curly bracket close cout less than line less than adl. Cout successfully read data from file and in file dot close. Very similar program as we have seen. Save and run this program. Oh, spelling mistake is there, I think so. Yes, in file F capital, save and run this program. See the output. It will open that file for reading and display all the content of that file. See here, this is first line and the file, this is next line of the file in that file, and successfully read from data file. For reading, if string line in file, then is open, then while get line, and so on. File open recent, file open recent project, then file save as, file IO3 save. A simple C++ program appending lines to text file, appending lines to text file. For that, we have to open that file of stream out file example.txt comma ios colon app for appending mode. This will decide for that file will be open in appending mode. Similarly, if out file is open file, then out file less than appending new line at the bottom of text file. The next line out file, this is another line to add in text file. Successfully write to data, successfully copy paste that file, that line, and display equal to symbol and end of file. End of file. This is the last line of that program after appending. Successfully append data to file, and out file, then close else cout, save this one, save this program and run this program. We just change something for appending of that one, appending some lines on that created text file. Earlier we have created that text file. Successfully append data to file. It means whatever we write here, that append in that text file. Open recent here, not copying, just I open that file. For running this program, we can see we can read that file, appended data on that file and display on the screen. See here. Also, you can see from Windows Explorer, go to your project folder and open that file with double click. Example, see, first we have written this is first line at file, this is next line, then appending new line, this is another line and head of the file, see the code, append mode, then appending on that file, save as IO file 4, press save button, modify this program, simple program, all operations on file like write to file, read a file with all manipulators, hash include stream, hash include IO manipulator, hash include fstream, then hash include string dot string, hash include string, string string, include all required header files, then remove this one because we are not appending on that file, we are creating a new file, then example1.txt, leave all code as it is. First check the file open, if all file that is open, then what we want to write on that file, odd file, this line is left aligned. For that, what I have to do here, I have to write down left before that line, right, and also set the width of that line, left, copy, enter, right, this is right aligned line, this line is right aligned. Means we are creating a file with formatted text like alignment and spaces. Setw 80, maximum 80 characters on that line. Delete this line if you do not require this one. Declare one variable double pi is equal to 3.14159, 3.14519. While writing the code, press Ctrl S for saving. Make it habit. Add file less than setw 30 or setw 20 less than fixed less than pi. Set precision 3 less than pi less than NL. Setw 20 fixed, set precision 3 and pi NL. But before that, write down fixed for understanding, because it will write on a file fixed and then pi fixed value with precision of 3. Copy paste same line. Scientific, we are just using here scientific, we are displaying scientific value, or we are writing scientific value to that file. Then scientific less than precision 3 and pi, successfully end of that file, then successfully out the file close, or successfully write formatted data to file, then close, then able to open that file, open second file io.2 and copy that if stream and file name are up to this portion, paste here, First writing to file, then we are reading from file in one program. Opening file for reading content and displaying on a screen. A copy code from last file or last program if you want, or if you want to write down that, it is better than copy. Change the file name. If stream in file example1.txt, string line in file that is open, then while get line in file comma line cout line successfully read data from file in file close file as cout unable to save and run the file. Click on terminal. See, successfully write format data to file. This file is left aligned, this line is left aligned, this line right aligned, fixed and scientific value exactly write to that file and read from that file and display on the screen. See the output and see the all code, all streams, required streams, then writing to file, open that file, then double pi if is open and write a format data to that file like left, right, fix, scientific and end of file, and finally display on screen successfully write to formatted file, successfully write format data to file, and then opening a file, if stream in file, copy data from that last program, successfully running last program, then change the file name, in file is open, while get line, line, cout line, successfully read data from the file, and this is the program. Clear screen and run once again and see the output. It creates first file, store the data to file and display that format data to you on the screen. Display format data on the screen. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide on mastering input and output in C++. Hope you found the examples and explanation helpful in boosting your programming skill. If you enjoy this video and learn something new, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and fellow programmers who might benefit from it. We would love to hear your thoughts, your questions and suggestions. So please leave a comment down below. For more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Your support helps us create more valuable programming tutorials for. Once again, thank you for watching and happy coding. Till then, Allah Hafiz.